2024 is a scam. Yes, you heard that right. That is because now you can earn $250 per day without having to do anything at all. Today, I am going to show you 5 ways to earn passive income without breaking the bank and applying for the divorce papers because you just lost at the casino. No cheap tricks, no messing around. I am going to give you a detailed breakdown of how to earn $250 a day without leaving the comfort of your home. From affiliate marketing, selling digital products online like a pro, to starting your very own YouTube channel and getting it monetized in seconds, which is exactly what we are planning to do to this channel. So don't forget to like and comment on how you want to see Dwayne Johnson with hair on my next video. Creating a YouTube channel. Starting your own YouTube channel is one of the best ways you can monetize a hobby you love. Remember that no matter whether you're interested in cooking or some tech, fitness, or traveling, there is a vast amount of audience waiting for new content. I dropped out of Harvard for this, and now look, I'm unemployed. Jokes aside, I'm legit earning $250 from my website, which I'll bring up in a bit. Before jumping into creating your video, decide on the topic or subject area that you'd like to focus on and create your channel with a creative name and interesting description. To make your video productions more appealing, purchase a high-quality camera and a mic to improve the quality. That only happens after you become as up as Mr. Beast, so for now, just stick to your regular phone. Make sure to upload regularly or once a week, and I emphasizing on at least once a week. Don't forget to interact with your audience and share your videos on your other social media platforms. Google AdSense for ad revenue, sponsored videos brands pay you to feature their products, and affiliate marketing earning commissions by promoting products. Once the channel hits monetization, you can bet that you'll get more than those $250 that I promised. Now comes the big how. How are we going to get monetized? For that, there are a set of rules and regulations that you must abide by for YouTube. Firstly, you need to get over 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Secondly, have more than 1,000 subscribers, and secondly, have a linked AdSense account, which can be done easily. The AdSense account will help you receive the payments. You probably are wondering, didn't he just say he will get us monetized in seconds? Well, hell yeah, I did. All you need to do is hack the YouTube servers, become the OG of hackers associations, and become the richest guy on earth. Pretty easy if you ask me. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Blogging with affiliate marketing is indeed one of the most excellent methods to establish passive income. When you share meaningful information and suggest certain products, you can then get paid based on the amount of traffic generated by the referral links. First, select your niche. It means choosing a topic you are either passionate about and know a lot about. Your interest in the topic will keep you going, and your familiarity will draw the audience. Secondly, create your blog on web building sites such as WordPress, Wix, etc. Select an attractive and relevant domain name to highlight your specialty and begin the process of web page design to be comfortable and interesting. It's important to create content that is of good quality. Do post useful and interesting articles often, and also adopt proper SEO techniques in order to ensure that your blog is well ranked. Ranking. I can't emphasize how much a website's ranking matters. This will assist in attracting more readers to read your blogs, which is the main aim of the whole process. Come up with an affiliate program that is related to the niche you are focusing on. Some very common affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates, Shutterstock, and Commission Junction. Use affiliate links in a very plain way, recommending the products that you use personally and that you believe in. Share your posts on social networks and make your readers subscribe to your blog to stay updated. This helps to bring in more traffic towards your site, and there is a better chance of making some commissions. Which is exactly where my website that I told you about earlier comes in. It's known as Spy Essentials, and boy does it get me those $250 per day while I do absolutely nothing. The link is in the description, so do check it out. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is one of the easiest ways through which you can earn passive income. Digital products like ebooks, graphic design, software, music, or templates have low production costs, and the profit margin is quite high. Let's discuss how you begin this process. First, it is important to understand your target area of focus and the people who will be interested in your content. You also need to ask yourself what problems you can address or what value you can add. It means that your product should be tailored towards the target market and the likes and needs of the public. Create high-quality digital products. If you're writing an ebook, the key points are correct information and a high level of formatting. If you're creating softwares or templates, make sure that they are user-friendly and bug-free. You can use tools like Canva for graphic designing and Scrivener for writing. Promote an online store by utilizing sites like Shopify, Gumroad, or Etsy through which clients may buy your digital products. Make your store more accessible and present a good appearance to catch the attention of the customers. Also, advertise your products on the social media platforms, email marketing, and leveraging the market influencers. Automated e-commerce stores. Many people engage their e-commerce stores primarily through dropshipping without having to stock any of the products you list for sale. You offer products, and every time an order is placed, the third supplier delivers it straight to the buyer. First of all, you have to decide what kind of a store you would like to create. Explore the new products on the market and find out what excites you. Some of the most frequently advertised categories are clothing, electronics, and accessories for the house. Open an online shop using the services such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and other e-commerce platforms. These platforms contain features and interfaces that can be easily used to customize and operate an online store. First, it enables the installation of apps that deal with dropshipping such as Oberlo or Spocket to connect with the suppliers. Then add new products into your store and properly pricing them to enable you to create a competitive edge. Make sure you write interesting product descriptions to attract customers and make sure you use clear pictures. Advertise your store using social networks, search engines, and newsletters. Place promotional advertisements in widely used social media sites such as Facebook and Instagram. Stock photography. If photography is something that interests you, then selling your pictures online is one of the best ways to earn money on the side. In fact, businesses, bloggers, and marketers always are in search of high-quality images, and they are willing to pay for these images. Well, how do you start? First, you should gather a collection of excellent pictures. Concentrate on different topics including nature, city life, the way people live, and business-related themes. Make sure that your pictures should have very good quality. Joining a stock photography site such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. With this, you'll get an opportunity to post your photos and sell them to a worldwide community. Ensure that you provide a proper and detailed description of the picture when uploading it. This is even more important when using specific keywords that enable others to easily search through images. This means that the higher your photos are in terms of visibility, the higher the likelihood of you making sales. There you have it. They are the top 5 practical steps that will assist you in making $250 per day in passive income in 2024. There is everything for everyone here, from starting your very own YouTube channel to getting that website on board. When it comes to making money online, there are uncountable ways by which you can earn in every way possible. Just keep in mind that the most important thing is to not drop out of Harvard like me. But on a serious note, do use these 5 methods to get those big bucks. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and may you achieve your financial freedom.